Picture this, a warm, sunny day, the aroma of artisan pizzas wafting through the air, and the sound of sizzling steaks on a high-heat roaster. Welcome to the world of outdoor cooking reimagined with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the remarkable features, unrivaled functionality, and mouth-watering possibilities that this electric outdoor oven brings to your backyard. Get ready to elevate your outdoor culinary adventures. The Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven is more than just an outdoor appliance. It's a versatile cooking powerhouse that can transform any space into your dream outdoor kitchen. With 8-in-1 functionality, it empowers you to unleash your culinary creativity outdoors. From making perfect artisan pizzas to achieving that high-heat roast, broil, bake, smoke, dehydrate, and keep your dishes warm, this oven covers it all. Imagine crafting artisan pizzas without the fuss and constant turning. That's the magic of the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven. With a range of settings including Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and frozen, you can satisfy your pizza cravings with ease. The oven's impressive 700 EGF capability ensures that your pizzas achieve the char, caramelization, blistering, and crunch that you'd expect from a brick oven, all without the hassle. Outdoor gatherings just got better with the Ninja Woodfire Oven's spacious interior. You can effortlessly accommodate up to a 12 pounds turkey, a 9 lb pork shoulder, a 12 lb prime rib dinner with veggies, a 12-inch pizza, a full sheet pan meal, or a standard 8x11 casserole dish. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a backyard BBQ party, this oven is up for the challenge. One of the standout features of this outdoor oven is its woodfire technology. With just half a cup of pellets, you can infuse authentic woodfire flavors into anything you cook, at any temperature up to 700 EGF. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, this technology adds a layer of rich, smoky goodness to your dishes. Unlike traditional outdoor cooking methods, the Ninja Woodfire Oven offers precise temperature control without the need for an open flame. You can dial in temperatures ranging from 105 EGF to a scorching 700 EGF. This expansive temperature range opens up a world of culinary possibilities, allowing you to cook everything from delicate desserts to high-heat roasts. Outdoor cooking has never been this easy. With electric heat, you can relax and enjoy your cookout while the Ninja Woodfire Oven does the work. Whether you're achieving that perfect sear on a steak or slow-smoking tenderized BBQ foods, this oven simplifies the process. It's built for year-round outdoor cooking and storage, so you can leave it outside without worry. When you invest in the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven, you're not just getting the oven itself, you're getting a complete outdoor cooking experience. The package includes the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven, the Pro Heat Pan, a pizza stone, a roast rack, an accessory frame, a pellet scoop, and an all-purpose blend starter pack. These accessories enhance your cooking adventures and provide you with everything you need to get started. In conclusion, the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its 8-in-1 functionality, artisan pizza capabilities, crowd-pleasing capacity, authentic woodfire flavor infusion, precise temperature control, and effortless operation make it a must-have for any outdoor chef. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your outdoor cooking experiences into unforgettable culinary adventures. Click the link below to make the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven an essential part of your outdoor cooking arsenal.